Now, worksheet 1, question 4. Question 4 is Nidhi purchased 2 sarees for rupees 2150 each. He sold one saree at a loss of 8% and other at a gain. For the other saree, in the question, it is not mentioned how much gain it has. If she had a gain of rupees 1230 on the whole transaction, means on both the sarees, if she has a gain of 1230 rupees, find the selling price of second saree. So we have to find out the selling price of second saree. And one more thing is not given. What is the selling price of a second saree, which you have to find out, and gain is not given. For the second saree, gain is not given. Let's come to the question. In the question, we will again take two cases. Case 1, cost price of a saree is rupees 2150, loss is 8%. Now we can find out the selling price. SP में ऊपर, CP में नीचे. So SP में ऊपर, so we will use this formula. And after putting all the values from here, you will get the selling price as 1978 rupees on first saree. Okay. Now, case 2, cost price of second saree is also 2150 because it is mentioned each. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस सेकंड साड़ी का भी 2150 होगा एंड वी डोंट नो द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द सेकंड साड़ी, सो वी विल टेक इट लेट द सेलिंग प्राइस of second saree as rupees X. Now, what we will do to find out, since it is given that overall gain दिया हुआ है, तो it means जब overall gain दिया हुआ है मतलब दोनों साड़ीज का gain टोटल दिया हुआ है, तो हमें टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस भी निकालना पड़ेगा एंड टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस भी निकालना पड़ेगा. देन ओनली वी कैन यूज ओवरऑल गेन. ओके, सो टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ टू साड़ीज विल बी, देखो एक साड़ी का सेलिंग प्राइस ये है एंड द सेकंड सेलिंग प्राइस वी आर टेकिंग इट एक्स, तो टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस 1978 प्लस एक्स हो गया एंड टोटल गेन, overall gain is already given in the question 1230. And what about the total cost price of two sarees? Total cost price 2150 plus 2150, so this will be total cost price. अब क्योंकि total gain दिया हुआ है, so we can use the formula of a gain here. So what is gain equal? Gain equal SP minus CP. So gain equal SP minus CP, put instead of gain 1230 and total SP is this and the total cost price is this. Substitute over here, shift the term on the other sides to get the value of X. So what is X? हमने X किसको assume किया है? Selling price को किया है. So therefore selling price of second saree, selling price of second saree equal rupees 3552. Okay, so I think you can able to do this question now. It's clear to all of you, I think. Now we will go for the next question, question number 6. In question 6, it is a man bought bananas at the rate of 10 for rupees 45. Means 10 bananas की cost है 45 rupees and sold at the rate of 1 dozen banana for 51. और selling price किया, sell किया 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12 bananas को selling price किया at rate of 51. Means 1 dozen bananas किया, selling price 51 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. To find the gain or loss percent, हमारे पर cost price, total cost price, and we needed total selling price. Then only we can find out the total gain percent or loss percent. So let's have a look on the solution. Cost price of 10 banana is given as rupees 45. This is given. Selling price of 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12 bananas is rupees 51. This is also given. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will find out the LCM of 10 and 12. You will get it later on why we are using it. We will find out the LCM of 10 and 12. So its LCM will come as 60. LCM, you know it very well how to find out. Okay. Now we will go for the unitary method, which you did it in your junior classes also. Cost price of 10 bananas is 45. Then cost price of 1 banana is 45 upon 10. Now whatever be the LCM, उसका आप cost price निकालेंगे. Cost price of 60 banana will be 45 upon 10 multiply 60, so you will get it 270. हम इस क्वेश्चन को 1 बनाना से भी कर सकते हैं, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 1 बनाना से भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसमें क्या होगा, वो अपॉन में आ जाएगा और इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू डेसिमल. Then it will take little bit more time. So that's why we will take the concept of the LCM. उससे आपका क्या होगा कि LCM से आपका exact you will get the answer. Okay. Same way we will find out it's given selling price of 12 banana is 51. It is already given 1 dozen or 12 banana. Selling price of 1 banana will be 51 upon 12 and सेम LCM. सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 60 बनाना विल बी, देखो यहाँ पे आपको एग्जैक्ट आंसर यू आर गेटिंग इट, डेसिमल्स में नहीं आ रहा. और अगर आप 1 बनाना में जाते हैं, खाली 1 बनाना का सेलिंग प्राइस या कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालते, तो दैट इज कमिंग इन न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, तो वो आपका डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दैट्स वाई वी विल नॉट टेक इट. नाउ दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस and this is cost price. Now we have to see cost price ज़्यादा है 60 bananas का या selling price ज़्यादा है. So here if you will see cost price is more, therefore it has loss. Loss हो गया CP minus SP, तो 15 rupees का loss हो गया. Now according to the question we can find out the loss percent also. Loss percent, loss upon CP into 100. Remember, loss percent or gain percent will always be on CP. So loss upon CP into 100. Substitute the value, you will get 50 by 9%, or you can convert it in this form also, that is 5 by 9%. I think this question is clear to all of you. तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन जब भी आए, this is for competitive exams also, आप उन जो भी आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस, जितने भी नंबर ऑफ थिंग का कॉस्ट प्राइस या सेलिंग प्राइस है, फाइंड आउट इट्स LCM and then use the unitary method to go further. Okay, so I think you can able to do this question also in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.